But what if I told you it doesn't require a team? It doesn't require showing your face. And it doesn't require working 12 hours a day. It requires a system. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact AI workflow I use to create, script, voice, edit, and publish content at scale without burning out. Let's get into it. Most people fail with content because they treat every video like a separate project. They think of an idea, stare at a blank screen, write from scratch, edit manually, and then repeat the whole painful process tomorrow. That's just not scalable. The key mental shift you need to make is this. Stop creating videos and start building a content system. When you build a system, content becomes the output, not the effort. You're relying on a process that works every single time, whether you feel motivated or not. This is the difference between an amateur who burns out after a month and a professional who can produce content for years. The system is what separates them. I prompt it to generate search-driven titles, contrarian angles that make people stop and think, problem-based hooks that grab attention immediately, and content pillars that are specific to my niche. I don't just ask for one or two ideas. I have a backlog of validated, interesting topics ready to go. You see, consistency isn't about motivation. It's about preparation. When the ideas are already there, the hardest part of the process is already done. Next up is script automation. I get it to build a strong hook to pull viewers in, structure the sections clearly so the video flows logically, add pacing and transitions to maintain momentum, and focus on elements that keep retention high. But here's the crucial part. I don't just copy and paste what the AI gives me. I refine it. I adjust the tone to match my brand's voice. The AI speeds up my thinking, but the strategy is still human-led. A 10-minute script that would have taken me hours to write now takes me about 15 to 25 minutes to finalize. That's called leverage. Now for the part where the automation really kicks into high gear, the voice and visual workflow. This saves me hours of recording, re-recording, and editing out mistakes. For visuals, I keep it simple and effective. I use a combination of high-quality stock clips, screen recordings to show processes, AI-generated graphics for custom visuals. The goal here isn't to create a Hollywood blockbuster. The goal is clarity and good pacing. This kind of faceless content works so well because the value of the information is the focus, not the personality on camera. It allows you to deliver your message directly and efficiently. They try to script, record, edit, and upload a video in a single session. That is a recipe for burnout. Instead, I batch my tasks. I'll have one day dedicated just to generating ideas. The next day is only for scripting. Then I'll have a day just for recording voiceovers for multiple videos. Batching like this removes the friction of constantly switching between different types of tasks. You get into a state of flow and become much more efficient. And it's that friction that kills consistency more than anything else. And here's the final piece that most people miss: the monetization layer. Creating content without a plan for how it's going to make money is just creating noise. I'm thinking about its ad revenue potential, what affiliate tools I can naturally recommend in the video, how it might lead to a future digital product. I'm not just posting for views. I'm building an asset. When you look at it this way, uploading 2 videos a day isn't about speed. It's about the power of compounding. Each video is a brick building a larger, more valuable structure. So, if you want to scale your content creation with AI, stop chasing the latest shiny tool. Instead, focus on building a system. Once you have a system that works, the output becomes predictable. And predictable output is what leads to predictable income. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe, because I'm documenting this entire AI channel growth process in real time, sharing everything I learn along the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.